Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech AI. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on Crushon AI. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Crushon AI app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you can see options like Explore, Search, Create, Messages and your profile. Go to your profile, then go to top right corner and tap on Settings. Now under Settings, you're gonna see options like Language, Auto Translate, Account Settings, Manage Account, and finally My Blocks. Tap on My Blocks, then look for the account that you want to unblock, then tap on Unblock on the side of that account. Then the user will be unblocked. And guys, that's it. That's how you unblock someone on Crushon AI. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.